The Bond King by Mary Childs is an in-depth exploration of Bill Gross, a figure who revolutionized the bond market and built an empire at Pacific Investment Management Company, PIMCO. As the founder of PIMCO and a pioneer in bond trading, Gross's career was marked by his influence over trillions of dollars in investments, making him a towering presence in finance. Mary Childs' book does more than just chronicle the life of a financial titan. It examines the complex interplay of ambition, power, and personal flaws that contributed to both his rise and fall. One of the book's key strengths is its accessibility. Childs, a financial journalist with deep expertise, manages to explain complex financial concepts in a way that even readers unfamiliar with the world of bonds and investment management can grasp. She skillfully demystifies the often opaque bond market, offering insights into how Gross transformed it from a niche area into a critical part of global finance. By making financial jargon comprehensible, Childs broadens the book's appeal to a general audience rather than solely financial insiders. At the heart of The Bond King is the intricate portrait of Bill Gross himself. The book delves into his early life, his time as a Navy pilot, and his obsessive commitment to mastering the markets. Gross's incredible success is juxtaposed with his eccentricities and personal challenges. Childs doesn't shy away from depicting Gross's ego, his difficult relationships with colleagues, or his tumultuous departure from PIMCO. This well-rounded portrayal humanizes Gross, showing both his genius and his vulnerabilities, painting a picture of a man whose success came at a personal cost. The narrative also highlights the culture of Wall Street and the investment world, which can often be cutthroat and unforgiving. Gross's story serves as a lens through which readers can better understand the high-stakes nature of managing massive sums of money, the pressure to perform, and the brutal nature of competition in the financial sector. While the book succeeds in portraying Gross as a complicated and fascinating figure, it occasionally meanders in its pacing. Some sections that delve into financial strategies or office politics may feel drawn out for readers more interested in the human drama. However, these moments are rare, and the overall pacing of the book keeps readers engaged as Childs navigates the ups and downs of Gross's career. Ultimately, The Bond King offers a balanced and nuanced account of one of Wall Street's most enigmatic figures. Childs presents both the triumphs and the flaws of Gross, making the book not only a biography, but also a commentary on the perils of power and ambition in the world of finance. Whether you're a finance professional or someone curious about the intricacies of global markets, The Bond King provides a compelling and enlightening read.